In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to start a new form and how to set up some basic properties. To start, you will need to have your PerfectForms account open and on the main Forms dashboard. New forms are created with a couple of clicks. Enter a suitable name and click the Apply Changes button. Click the Design button to open the Form Designer. There are 4 panels in the Form Designer. On the left side is the Navigation panel. From here you can navigate through your form by selecting the individual pages and objects on those pages. The top panel is the Toolbox, which contains the objects you will use to build your form. The central panel is the Drawing area, sometimes referred to as the Drawing Canvas. This is where your form is built. We will cover form building in other tutorials. And the right-hand panel is where you will find the properties of the form, pages and individual objects. In most panels, you can minimize and maximize a section by clicking on the single arrowheads or the section title. You can also minimize or maximize the whole panel by clicking on the double arrowheads at the top. Or you can modify the panel width by using the double line grab handles you can find in the center of the panel edges. Initially you will see the form properties. There are some basic and advanced features included. We will take a look at some of the basic properties which you are likely to want to set before you get started on the form layout. The size of the form can be changed by simply entering the pixel dimensions in the boxes provided. Or you can select one of the predefined sizes from the drop-down. The instance name will be covered in a separate tutorial video, so we'll skip that one for now. You can specify the background color of the web browser by selecting a color from the palette, or you can enter a specific hexadecimal color code directly into the color field. The drop shadow is displayed by default and is on the right and bottom sides of the form, but it can also be deselected if required. You can choose to show a frame around the form, and if selected, you can specify the frame size and color, and if it has round corners or not. In just a few minutes, you have seen how to start a new form and set up basic properties. Now you should be ready to add objects onto your form. This is covered in another tutorial video.